Sarah, I don't think I can do this anymore.
What happened?
I got rejected again.
Wait, this was your 7th interview, right?
Yeah. 7 interviews, 7 rejections.
I'm really sorry, Arjun.
Maybe I'm just not good enough.
Don't say that.
But it's true. Every company says the same thing.
What do they say?
We'll contact you later.
That doesn't mean you're a failure.
It feels like one.
Listen to me carefully. Rejection is part of success.
Easy for successful people to say.
Arjun, even successful people fail many times
Then why does failure hurt so much?
because you care about your future.
I'm tired, Sarah. I studied hard for years.
And your hard work will pay off one day.
I don't know anymore.
Do you remember your first interview?
Yeah, I couldn't even introduce myself properly.
Exactly. But now your English is much better.
I guess that's true.
See? You're improving.
But improvement is slow.
Slow progress is still progress. Tell me honestly, what's your biggest fear?
I'm afraid people will think I'm not smart enough.
Confidence is not about knowing everything.
Then what is it?
It's about believing that you can learn and grow.
Nobody ever explained it like that before.
Arjun, one interview can change your entire life.
You really think so?
Absolutely. But first, you need to stop doubting yourself.
I try, but negative thoughts always come back.
Then, replace them with positive action.
Positive action?
Practice more. Learn from your mistakes. Improve every day.
That sounds difficult.
Staying stuck is even more difficult
You always know what to say.
because I know your potential.
Thanks, Sarah. I actually feel better now.
Good. And remember something important.
What?
Sometimes success comes right after the moment you wanted to quit.
Wow.
So don't give up yet.
I won't.
Promise?
Promise.
That's the Arjun I know.
Thank you, Sarah.
Anytime. Now prepare for your next interview.
I will. And this time, I'll walk in with confidence.
Exactly, you've got this.
If you found this video helpful, tap the subscribe button for more useful content like this.